how to remove FRP Samsung Galaxy A24. I will give you two videos, two solutions. First solution in this video, and second video I will put a link in description. You can check also if this method doesn't work. So normally we try with the first method. We need to restart first of all. So just keep pressing power button and volume down button, and before doing that you need a USB cable. You can put in charger, no problem. So just keep pressing both buttons, volume down and power button, and then when you see black screen, press volume up and power button. So we will need to go to the recovery mode. So here I will give you the first method. You will see here. So if I take close to the you will see here wipe cache partition. So click on that, hit power button, click yes. Okay, after that again you need to come to this wipe cache partition, hit power button, click yes, click OK. Now after that we will need to go again here on, you will see here apply update and then wipe data factory reset. Now we'll try this one, and after that we'll restart, reboot my mobile phone.